Welcome back to Google class. Today I am going to discuss with Indian Penal Code. Okay. Section 310. Section 310 explain about thug. Thug. Okay. The thug means, as per the IPC, the explanation of the thug, whoever at any time after the passing of this act shall have been habitually associated with any other or others for the purpose of committing robbery or child stealing, by means of or accompanied with murder is a thug. Okay. And section 311. Section 311 deals with thug punishment. Okay. Punishment of thug. Here, whoever is a thug shall be punished with imprisonment for lifetime. Okay. And shall also liable for fine. Okay. Imprisonment for life and also liable for fine. Okay. Here the gangs of persons habitually associated for the purpose of inveigling and murdering travelers, okay, or others in order to take their property, etc., are called thugs. Thugs are robbers and dacoits. Dacoits. Okay, note down. Thugs are robbers and dacoits. But all robbers and dacoits are not thugs. Thugs committed robbery or dacoity or kidnapping, always accompanied with murder. Killing of the victim was the essential thing. Okay, still in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh also. Okay, of the causing of this section is up to 311. That's all. This is the only definition. Okay, and another section 312. Here the heading is of the causing of miscarriage, of injuries to unborn children, of the exposure of infants, and of the concealment of births. So the above of the causing of miscarriage, of injuries to unborn children, of the exposure of infants, and of the concealment of births. These above dealing with the following sections. Okay. Here section 312 deals with causing miscarriage. Causing miscarriage means, here whoever voluntarily causes a woman with child, whoever voluntarily causes a woman with child to miscarry shall, if such miscarriage be not caused in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the woman, okay, in this situation be punished with imprisonment of either description for term which may extend to 3 years, okay, or with the fine, or both. And if the woman be quick with the child, note down, if woman be quick with the child, shall be punished with the imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Note down the last pair of the section 312 describing. Okay, the main explanation here, a woman who causes herself to miscarry is within the meaning of this section, this 312. Okay, this 312 section deals with the causing of miscarriage with the consent of the woman, while the next section means 312 following deals with the causing of miscarriage without such consent. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, MPT, the short name is MPT, provides for the termination of pregnancy by registered medical practitioners. Note down, registered medical practitioner means those who are qualified from the gynecologist, okay, MBBS after the DGO. And some fake doctors also doing like this. So this act was restricted, okay, by these peoples. So only the qualified persons that provides for the termination of pregnancy by registered medical practitioners where it is continuous would involve a risk of the life of pregnant woman or grave injury to her physical or mental health, or where there is a substantial risk that if the child were born, it would suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities has to be seriously handicapped, where the pregnancy is alleged to have been caused by rape or as a assault of failure of a contraceptive devices used by a married woman or her husband, it would be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. Okay, the termination of a pregnancy by a person who is not a registered medical practitioner will be an offence under the Indian Penal Code 1860. Okay, now it's clear, which to that extent is modified. It is high time that the section 2 was suitably amended in terms of Act 34 of 1971 to include the various other grounds on account of which a pregnancy can now be terminated by a registered medical practitioner. In this connection, see also comment under section 91. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 does not empower the husband, okay, for less his relations to prevent the concerned woman from causing abortion if her case is covered under section 3 of that act, under section 312 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Causing miscarriage is a penal offence, okay, penal offence. The relevant civil law has since been embodied in the act legalizing termination of pregnancy under certain circumstances. Since law is liberal for effecting such termination, the act does not lay down any provision on husband's consent in any situation. Okay, this is what saying section 312 of the Indian Penal Code and along with medical termination, okay, along with Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. Here and another heading of this same section, I'll give you a small clue, then it is very easy to understand this portion. With child, okay, number 1 is with the child, number 2 is miscarriage, number 3 is quick with child. 3 part is available. One by one I will explain. Here with child, the word is with child, it means pregnant, okay, because in our section with the child mentioned in this section also shortly mentioned here. So this is what I am saying, with the child means pregnant, and it is not necessary to show that quickening, that is perception by the mother of the movement of the fetus, mother of the movement of the fetus, okay, has taken place, or that he embryo has assumed the embryo, okay, no, that the embryo has assumed a fetal form, the stage to which pregnancy has advanced, and the form which the ovum or embryo may have assumed or immaterial, okay, where a woman was acquitted on charge of causing herself to miscarry on the ground that she had only been pregnant for 1 month, and that there was nothing which could be called fetus or called. It was held that the acquittal was bad in law. And another instance, the same with child. A woman quick with a child simply means a particular stage of pregnancy at which quickening takes place. It is a perception of the woman of the movement of fetus. Section 312 can even apply to a pregnant woman herself who causes her own miscarriage. Good faith by itself is not enough. It has to be good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the mother or the child and not otherwise. The observation of the High Court of Delhi occurs in above cases, okay. And another point, the same similar fact and another example in which the doctor was found to be negligent and careless, injecting needles twice for performing abdominocentesis, okay, abdominocentesis, that is a medical term, abdominocentesis, okay, abdominocentesis, okay, abdominocentesis. The result was that patient had to undergo forced abortion because septic developed that area. There was concern only for one insertion, and that was not at all applicable to second insertion, okay. This is what saying with child definitions. I gave 2 or 3 examples here. The second one, miscarriage. The miscarriage means is the premature expulsion of the child. Premature expulsion of the child or fetus, FOETUS, fetus from the mother's womb, WOMP, womb, at any period of pregnancy before the term of gestation is completed. This is called miscarriage. Here, and another example, this miscarriage, death in attempt to terminate pregnancy. Death in attempt to terminate pregnancy. Here, a woman at pregnancy of 24 weeks. What will happen? 24 weeks. Okay. 24 weeks out of illicit relations, and a doctor administered an injection for determination of the pregnancy, but the woman died. Okay. The doctor administered an injection for determination of the pregnancy, but the woman died the next day without miscarriage. Okay, note that point. It was held that The act of the doctor amounted to voluntarily causing miscarriage within the meaning of section 312 read with section 511 of the Indian Penal Code. As the doctor was presumed to know the possible effects of the medicine. Fine. Okay, another example. The same miscarriage topic, another example. Here, deceased, D-E-C-E-A-S-C-D, deceased, an unmarried girl was pregnant from accused. Unmarried girl was pregnant from accused. She died while causing miscarriage due to perforation of uterus following abortion. Perforation of uterus following abortion. It is clear a case that accused was an instrumental in causing the woman to miscarry, and obviously it was not done in good faith for purpose of saving life of deceased. Here miscarriage was with a view to wipe out evidence of deceased being pregnant. So accused liable to be convicted under section 312 of IPC, 315 of IPC, 316 of IPC and 201 of Indian Penal Code. That's all. Okay. Third point. We'll go to third point. Quick with child. In this heading, quick with child. What is the meaning here? Quickening is a name applied to peculiar sensations experienced by women about the 4th or 5th month of pregnancy. 4th month or 5th month of pregnancy. Okay, that means quick with child. Okay students, this section 312 is over. 310, 311, 312 of the Indian Penal Code portion is over. Okay, we'll meet you again next video class. Bye students, thank you all.